Thank you for participating in this important venture. Your contribution can impact the media industry and TTT Limited as well. With an investment of about 15 minutes, you can change the course of history. Think about it. With so many options for entertainment, news, etc., how can you decide which television station is the best? You can determine that today. What would you like to see or experience? First-rated reporters, real-time information, or just being totally relaxed watching a good movie? Nowadays, technology provides access to more options for engaging with TTTL. You can listen to news on your mobile while driving to work, or watch a special feature by logging into Facebook at home. Despite the competition, TTTL stands out as an industry leader. Your opinions matter and your voice can be heard. So let us take that next step that changes things for the better. Your opinions matter, and we want to hear from you.